What is going on, YouTube? Today is going to be day 7 of spooky season, where every day for the month of October we're going to be posting horror and Halloween related content. This is day 7, and yes, this is going to be another video that's not Five Nights at Freddy's, but something else. This is going to be the Skibbity toilet. Honestly, the only Skibbity that I know is the Skibbity Phantom Tax, but I mean, that's just me. All right, let's get right into it. The Skibbity toilet. I was just thinking this, why does he have all these like crayon or like drawn pictures of his family and not like actual pictures? Like what is this? It's kind of weird. I mean, like, what, did you go to like one of those artists where they do like a drawing of you or something? Like, that is just kind of crazy. Like all these like hand drawn pictures. I've never seen that before.
Boss, I have a toilet in my house.
What? Wait. Called someone and just told him, hey, I have a toilet in my house. What the fuck? Bro, I knew this was kind of a meme, but this is crazy. What is this?
No. Not in the bedroom. In the hall. Alo. Rose. Alo. Rose. Rose.
Oh shit. What the fuck? That's the Skibbity? Skibbity bibbity? Ugh. Now stay your ass in the toilet, Skibbity. Oh shit. Skibbity wasn't playing, man. That dude was creepy. I didn't expect that, honestly. I didn't look at the thumbnail or anything like that. Man, Skibbity. Alright, well, YouTube, this is day 7. Day 7 of spooky season, for every day for the month of October. We're gonna be posting Halloween and horror related content. Yeah, day 7. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what I should react to next. And yeah, subscribe for more. Pics are out.